Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another TEMU haul. If you guys haven't seen my previous TEMU haul, go ahead and check that out as well. But in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a few home organization items. If you're like me, preparing for the new year, you want to get some things organized and just make spaces in your home that make sense for you and your family. Keep on watching. I think I have some things that you guys may want to grab on TEMU.com. So not only will these items help you keep your home organized, but you'll actually be able to find them at a more affordable cost. I want to thank TEMU for sponsoring today's video. So before we get into assembling these items and making use of them, let me tell you guys a little bit about TEMU. So if you aren't familiar with TEMU, TEMU is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories such as fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and so much more. As you guys search through TEMU.com, or if you go ahead and download the TEMU app, you will see that TEMU has so many items that are very affordable. But on top of that, I do have a coupon code for you guys. Of course, TEMU is having a very special Christmas promotion for all of their customers. And during this event, you guys can shop items as low as 99 cents. And I do have a 30% off coupon code for you that you can stack on top of that. And if you are a new user, TEMU offers free shipping and free returns. So let's jump right into it. Here's the first item that TEMU sent for some home organizational ideas. And just to give you guys a time frame, these items were ordered on December 7th and they arrived on December 15th. So just like a week and one day. So here is a one-piece jewelry storage box. I'll show you guys my jewelry items that I have and how I have them stored and why I needed this for more organization. I love this sitting on top of the counter and I just think it's a great accessory and something great to use to organize all of your accessories. So this jewelry box was priced at $15.49, and I'll go ahead and let you guys watch me put it together and organize all of my accessories. So here is another item that you can use in your bathroom. This is called what they call a 4-piece Q-tip holder, but you guys know we use these for more than just Q-tips. These are great quality and you guys will see I'll be using Q-tips, cotton swabs, cotton rounds, and floss picks as well. For a bundle of 4, these are priced at $8.48. So this is probably my most favorite item out of everything that I received from TEMU. So this is a one-piece multifunctional hanger for pants and scarves, and you guys will see I'll even put belts on here as well. So I always have a problem with having not enough hangers for my items, so I feel like this will really make the job easier when it comes to hanging jeans and making sure that they are hung in the most organized way so that my closet is more sufficient for me and moving around and finding what I want to put on for the day. So for a bundle of 3, these were priced at $12.98. But don't forget to use my coupon code. Link is in the description box as well. Happy665 for an additional 30% off your order. So moving right along to the next item, if you're like me and you have a bunch of gadgets that require a bunch of cords and your drawers look like this, then I might have a solution for you. I found it on TEMU.com. These are silicone magnet hubs. These come in a set of 5 and a set of 10. I chose a set of 10 and they were priced at $3.98. So if you're looking for some shower organization, these are shower caddy shelves, bathroom shower rack. They're priced at $6.48 each. I have 2 of them to show you guys. These were very easy to assemble. They just have little screws that you screw into the adhesive that sticks on the back of the wall, which I'll show you guys here. So I really love these. They seem to hold up pretty well. I'll let you guys know how they continue to hold up. So the next item is a wall mounted storage box. You can use this in your kitchen, your bathroom, anywhere where you see fit where it can stick. This item is currently sold out, so I cannot share the price with you guys. But the good thing about TEMU is that when an item is sold out, you can ask them to notify you. So you'll know when the item comes back in stock and you can go ahead and order it then. So as you'll see, this item is very easy to install. You just take the plastic off of the adhesive and stick it to the wall, and in here you can include anything that you see fit. So I know I'm not the only person that has some unreturned Tupperware or some Tupperware that just got stained really badly, and I need to get some more. These are a 3-piece round fresh keeping box for the refrigerator, and they're priced at $7.49, and they do come in other colors. I chose the blue, and as you guys can see, these are great quality. So here is the next item, a kitchen storage rack. You can also use this in your bedroom, your bathroom, or anywhere you see fit. Once again, I chose to place it into my kitchen just for some extra storage. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it there. This was priced at $22.49. So for the last item, we've got some organization in the car. Yes, car organization. So this is a car seat gap organizer. It has a universal fit. I was so excited about this because my phone is always falling in between the seat. My phone, my keys, anything that's in my hand apparently ends up falling in between these seats. So I'm happy to have this where I can store my phone, some money, some pills, Tylenol, anything that I'll need, and even a little pen. And this was priced at $4.98. So those are all of the items that I wanted to share with you guys for some home organizational items for less that you can find on TEMU.com. Be sure to download the TEMU app for a smoother shopping experience. And do not forget to check the link down below for your 30% off code, HAPPY665. I do not want you guys to miss out on that additional 30% off your order. And I also have a link down below in the description box of all of the items that I shared with you guys in this video, so you don't have to go looking for them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And down in the comments, let me know which one of these items were your favorite. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.